everyone, Happy New Year. I hope you enjoyed 2023 so far. And here I am at my sustainable farm. I start off my year by harvesting the new rice. This is the most important thing that I have to do this year. And I would like to thank you very much for following me or subscribe to me on other media channel. Instagram, Facebook, I really appreciate it. And this year, I hope I can bring you more wonderful videos that I am making here in Thailand. สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to World of Thai Food. I'm Amy, and today I would like to give you a unique recipe. Okay, good. Please stay tuned for my videos that are coming up this year. And if you'd like to know more about the culture of harvesting rice or planting rice, I will put more information and good knowledge for you on World of Thai Food website. For today, I have to go and helping my family harvesting the rice. Have a spicy day. Bye bye.